Hello guys, quick one. Welcome to another beautiful vlog from Victory Family. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. All our supporters, all our viewers, everybody, thank you very much in all you do. May God bless you. So it's today I want to make food for my children in this afternoon. So I don't know what thing I want really cook. Sha. I don't they think they run around for kitchen since, but I don't just know. But I can't finally find that okay. Let me make a plantain with egg or beans or anyone at all. We have stew in the fridge or just fried plantain and rice. So just fried plantain John. I want to go there. If they will open, I will buy plantain and buy some tomatoes, some salad. Yes, me I eat salad now because I'm on diet. Yes. So buy some tomatoes and other things that I need. While I be say there is rainy or ready for anyone, my people, ready for outside. So I don't know. So I don't really know, but I will go like this. Shower. Even my pan when I wear self, I don't feel cannot fit tie shoe. See my sack here. So hello guys, this is me. See the way rain just before this time around it's supposed to be summertime. So in this our city, every day na rain oh. Even rainy time rain, summertime rain. Yeah, hello guys, I'm back. Ready for outside on the small. And I'm not even carrying umbrella. So finally, now what's in I buy for this supermarket and this one. Those are the vegetables I'll be eating: cucumber, fresh tomatoes, carrots, and the avocado. Those are the things I'll be eating. We have a banana there also. So let's go.